In this video, I'll demonstrate how to watch Hulu with NordVPN. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and enables us to keep providing great content. Don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. Basically, Hulu is only available in the USA. Watching Hulu with NordVPN lets users access the service from outside the USA by masking their location, allowing for a broader range of shows and movies. It also ensures privacy and security while streaming content online. Being exclusively available in the USA, even if you create a Hulu account and purchase a subscription, you'll encounter limitations if you're located outside the US. When you connect to Hulu while in a different country, such as Thailand, you'll be able to browse the catalog and view thumbnails of the content. However, when you attempt to watch any show or movie, you will be met with restrictions that prevent playback. So first, let's clarify what happens when you connect to Hulu from Thailand. Once you log into your Hulu account, you'll notice that although you can see all the titles available, none of them will actually play. This is due to geographic restrictions imposed by Hulu, which only allows streaming from IP addresses located within the United States. To overcome this hurdle, we will utilize NordVPN to change your virtual location. Start by launching the NordVPN application on your device. After logging in, navigate to the server list and select a server located in the United States. This step is crucial because it will assign you a US IP address, effectively masking your actual location. Once connected, return to your Hulu account and refresh the page. You should now be able to access and enjoy the full range of Hulu's streaming content without any issues. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button and use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. Thanks for tuning in.